Hello, it's Karthik, right?
Yes, sir.
It was a good inauguration ceremony yesterday. You looked sharp in that suit.
Thank you, sir.
You seem to have adjusted well. I think Sathidar has mentored you well.
Yes, sir. Everyone has made me feel welcome here.
So listen. The government is planning these trains to transport oxygen across country.
So when is this going to happen?
The details are still thin, but it's going to happen after they decide on a name for it. Right now, the higher-ups have asked me to look for able loco pilots for this critical mission.
We have Satada, sir.
Yes, but I think he won't be returning for at least 2 weeks. Anyway, off you go. We'll keep you posted. You will partner with Rajiv starting today.
Oh, okay, sir.
Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1.
Dhanda Pani. Looks like your Saturday sir is gone.
He'll be back, Rajiv.
I still can't believe you actually got this job. Whose recommendation did you have?
Not everyone has relatives in positions of power, Rajiv. Some of us have to work hard to succeed.
Oh, looks like I touched a nerve. We'll see how far your hard work takes you.
2655 Passenger Express is scheduled to depart. Passenger Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 6.
Arey, call the TTR.
Hi, somebody pull the chain.
Looks like someone has pulled the chain.
Hurry, these people have no job. They keep pulling chain for no reason and make us late.
Satada, sir, taught me to hope for the best, but prepare for the worst.
Okay, stop talking and tell that fat guard to reset the AC.
Attention loco pilot, this is the guard.
Manohar ji, Karthik here.
There is an emergency situation.
What happened?
The PTR just informed me that there is a pregnant lady traveling in coach S3. She is having severe labor pains and immediately needs medical attention.
Some passenger pulled the chain in panic. Oh, that's not good. Should we go back?
Go back? Are you crazy? We can't go back now. We have come too far.
Then we have to rush and reach Arakonam as soon as possible.
You cannot reach Arakonam in 2 minutes. It's impossible.
It's not impossible if I can carefully exceed speed limit.
You can't risk the lives of everyone for one woman. We can't do anything to save her.
Manohar ji, I am going to try and reach Arakonam.
Good luck, Karthik. I will immediately reset ACP. We are ready to go.
Please inform the Arakonam station master so they can arrange for ambulance.
I will.
This is why I told Satada I didn't want to partner with you.
Will you calm down for a second? Things turned out okay at the end.
That foolish man didn't listen to a word I said.
Rajiv, you can't talk like that about Satada, sir.
The last thing I need right now is babysitting a newbie who won't follow orders. What you did today was way out of line. You risked the life of everyone to save one person.
Unlike you, I trust my skills, Rajiv. I was confident about doing this safely.
But I don't trust you at all. I am going to report this to the Rajendran sir. I won't partner with you ever again.
2, 6, 5, 5. Passengers, your kind attention please.
Hello Karthik, where are you?
Hi, Kavita. I'm on duty today. I'm currently at Vaniambadi.
Some media people have come to interview the crew of yesterday's trip.
Interview? What for?
Apparently, the woman who had medical emergency yesterday is minister's relative. Somehow, press got the news that the loco pilot was responsible in saving the life of both mother and child. Rajiv is already here. They are waiting for you. Can you reach in 10 minutes?
If there is no delay, I can reach.
Okay, then come soon.
Attention loco pilot. There is a massive track maintenance work going on ahead. Please slow down and follow the updated speed limit. Make sure you honk repeatedly to alert the workers.
Okay, thanks for the heads up.
can build up to your cruising speed now.
Karthik, have you reached?
No, I am still on my way.
It's too late. The interview has already started. Rajiv is talking to the press.
Sir, what happened out there was incredible. You saved not one but two lives yesterday. Well, I was just doing my job. I did not think it would become such a media sensation. Did you know that the passenger was Minister's relative? I am just finding out the news from you. how did you decide you needed to take that risky call? Actually, my partner Karthik was strongly against it. But in my heart, I knew I had to do the right thing. Things could have gone very wrong. I made a decision that even if this was going to get me fired, I should do the right thing. How do you feel that the woman is naming her newborn son Rajiv in your honor? Well, all I can say is I'm touched by her gesture. I wish the mother and child well. Thanks.
Hey Karthik,
Hello.
you never told me that your friend Rajiv did such a brave thing yesterday.
He's not my friend, and things didn't happen the way he put it.
He has become the talk of the town. You are lucky to have a partner like him.
Well, lucky me, I guess.
He said you were against his idea. I didn't expect that from you.
That's too bad. I need to go now.
Passengers.
That Rajiv is a sneaky little man.
What do you mean?
I know it was your decision to go faster that saved the woman's life.
But how do you know?
I heard what he said on the walkie-talkie. If I were in your place, I'd tell everyone the truth.
No, please let this go. I don't want to create any controversy.
You are too kind. What he deserves is a nice kick and a suspension.
What goes around comes around, Manohar ji. Anyway, you said you wanted to discuss something about the trip?
Oh yeah, as you know, the forest between Arakonam and Vaniambadi is an elephant crossing zone. We have been repeatedly hearing reports of elephants blocking the path last week. Do you know the standard operating procedure if we encounter elephants?
I have read in the academy.
This kit contains everything the loco pilot needs to handle this situation. This is just a precaution. In any case, Rajiv is the loco pilot and he must know the procedure.
My phone has been ringing non-stop since yesterday. Everyone wants to interview me.
YouTube is fully trending with videos about what you did.
Yeah, all my friends and distant family have been sending me those videos.
But Rajiv, how did you make such a smart decision under pressure?
Well, I think I give my best when I am put in a stressful situation.
We are all proud of what you did. You are talk of the town and the superstar of our department.
Thanks, Kavi. You're too kind.
Attention please.
Do you drive today? I have so many messages I need to reply to. Let me know if you need help with anything. I'm right here.
Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1. Passengers.
Attention loco pilot. This is the Bangalore station master speaking.
Assistant Loco Pilot Karthik Kumar here. How can I help?
As you know, the forest between Vaniambadi and Bangalore is an elephant crossing zone. You will be approaching that zone soon.
Yes, we are aware and have come prepared.
We just got reports from Bangalore Shatabdi loco pilot. Multiple angry elephants are blocking the track as this is their natural habitat. We request you to please be alert and follow protocol. We will assist you further in case you do spot them.
Yes, what do I do?
Blow horn and see if they budge. Have they dispersed?
Negative.
Loco pilot has to get down and follow the SOP.
Karthik, do what the station master says.
But you are the loco pilot.
I am not going to go down and fight those crazy animals. Either you do it or tell the guard to do it.
Have they dispersed?
Negative.
Then we have one final option. Find firecrackers from the kit. Light and throw them.
If I had done it, it wouldn't have taken this long. Do you have a lot to learn? I think that Satada is a terrible teacher or you are a terrible student.
I hope I don't regret doing this.
This Karthik just tried to punch me.
From the look on your face, looks like he succeeded.
It's not funny. He assaulted a senior.
I am sure you must have done something to deserve it.
I am going to complain against both of you.
Go ahead. I know you lied to the media about saving that woman's life. I heard you on my walkie-talkie.
What? No way.
Yes, and I am going to tell everyone what you did.
No, please don't.
I hope you enjoyed your moment in spotlight because I am going to get you suspended.